As we dive into the realm of AI in 2024, it's crucial to uncover the hidden truths that often evade mainstream discussions. Ethical concerns loom large, from privacy invasion to algorithmic bias and the potential misuse of AI technology. These implications cannot be overlooked. While AI opens doors to new opportunities, it also casts a shadow of job displacement, threatening traditional roles and causing economic disruptions across various sectors. The lack of clear international regulations and standards for AI governance raises risks of unaccountability and oversight, highlighting the urgent need for structured guidelines. Data dependency emerges as a critical issue, with questions surrounding data ownership, access, and the looming threat of monopolistic control by tech giants. Algorithmic transparency remains a challenge, impacting trust and accountability in AI decision-making processes. The rise of AI in social media and personal devices poses risks to mental health, exacerbating issues like addiction and isolation. Cybersecurity vulnerabilities in AI systems expose personal data and critical infrastructure to potential breaches and misuse. The deployment of AI could deepen social inequalities, creating a divide between technologically literate and non-literate populations. The environmental impact of AI's energy consumption, particularly in large-scale models, raises concerns about carbon footprints and sustainability. Advancements in AI's integration into military technologies raise ethical dilemmas and concerns about the development of autonomous weapons. The long-term implications of AI development prompt profound questions about its impact on society, culture, and the future of humanity. As we navigate the evolving landscape of AI in 2024, it's imperative to address these pressing issues with vigilance and foresight, ensuring a responsible and ethical approach to the transformative power of artificial intelligence.